I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hey Google, what is the time? So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix this issue with your Google Assistant not working. I am going to show you what you need to do in order to get this to work. So you want to click on the G, which is for Google. You want to click more here. Then you want to click settings here. You will see Google Assistant. You click on it. Then you want to scroll down. Then you want to click on Assistant here. So you want to scroll down and you want to click on phone. You will see Google Assistant there. You want to enable. You will also see Hey Google. You want to enable this as well. And you need to ensure that your voice match is in as well. So once you properly set up your Google Assistant and these settings are enabled on your phone, you should be able to say Hey Google. So it's actually working.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Wasn't talking to you. So guys, actually that is how you enable your voice assistant if you were experiencing problems. You go straight to the Google Assistant right here. You ensure that your voice matches in to recognize your voice, so you can add your voice match, and once it is properly set up, you should be able to use your voice assistant. I'm actually doing this video to help out those of you who experience problem in not getting it to work. I've actually done a video before on how to set it up and the entire process of setting this up. So if we say, Hey Google, what is the time?
4:51 p.m.
So there you have it. You can actually see that our voice assistant is working perfectly. Hey Google, how to cook rice?
Here are some recipes I found.
So we are good to go. Right guys? Our voice assistant is working. Hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.